Alkor Alüminyum. In 2003, it started to produce aluminum profiles. It has an integrated production structure that carries out all processes from the design stage to the final product under its own roof. Profile production network of our company includes standard profiles, industrial profiles, architectural system profiles, and solar carrier systems. In line with the needs and demands, aluminum profile designs are created by using the latest technology together with the expert design team and engineer staff. The production process, which starts with the design and continues in the molding room, is prepared with the experienced expert staff in order to obtain products with high surface quality, technical tolerances, and superior physical characteristics. It carries out profile production in the production line with the presses, working with the PLC system with a capacity of 1,400 and 2,200 tons in the extrusion press unit. Profiles are covered with a protector in anodizing core to increase surface aesthetics and resistance against external factors. In the electrostatic paint department, production is carried out in RAL code and special effect colors. In the mechanical processing department, our expert staff performs mechanical processing activities. Our company, which has special production competence, meets the demands of its customers in accordance with high-quality standards.